Alright, welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and today I'm going to actually show you how you can connect two satellite dishes or two LNBs just like this one on a single satellite dish to two separate satellite receivers. So you have two satellite receivers and you are connecting two separate LNBs with two different satellite signals to each decoder. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do the installation. You first have to find a way to gather these two cables. Okay, to gather this signal cable either from two LNBs on one satellite dish or two satellite dish. Okay, so here you need a dissect. You need a dissect for this installation. So this is a 4-in-1 dissect. You can buy a 2-in-1 or 8-in-1 depending on the installation type. Okay, so get a dissect and then connect one cable to the dissect port. We have LNB ports on every dissect and a receiver port as well. So we have to connect the LNB cable or the coax cable to the LNB ports. Okay, and then you connect your cable to your receiver. This is the receiver port over here. So after connecting your receiver cable, here there is only one cable and you are to split it to two decoders. So you're gonna find a signal splitter to split the signal to each decoder. Okay, so you get a 2-in-1 signal splitter. Okay, to use it, so you have to connect your signal splitter over here and then you share the signal to each decoder. Okay, so it will be from a dissect to a signal splitter and then to each decoder separately. And then after making this connection available, you just have to change the settings in the installation wizard of each decoder. The dissect number that you choose over here have to reflect over there. Okay, so you're gonna choose the correct dissect number over there for you to get all the signal on it. Okay, so from the LNB to a dissect to a splitter. Alright, so if it happens to be your first time in here, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon. You lose nothing by subscribing. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless up.